So I'm kind of a mess right now, but I have a new self-care kit that I just finished working on, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I'm so excited about it. Here it is. So I originally did this as a custom birthday box, and I love it so much that I'm going to feature it on the site, as well as sort of a build your own box. You'll get to choose your box, you get to choose your candle and pretty much what you want inside. This is a little ornament. I put some earrings in here, but I also have necklaces, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna add it to my Etsy. This one's gonna be available on there tonight, so check it out. Put my husband to work and we collabed and made these amazing lighters. And there's a mini as well, so you'll have 2 sizes to choose from. You'll get to choose from fun birthday boxes like these. I have these that are fun for like friends, moms, summer vibes, spring vibes. Super cute. These are my favorite. These are for your nature loving soul sisters, and I think they would be perfect for dudes too, especially this one and this one, gorge. Then I have these boxes, and these are really good for guys, or if you wanted to create a custom label on the cover, I can do that as well. Anyway, what do you guys think about my boxes? Let me know. And if you want to customize a box for your mom or your mom friends, just shoot me a DM. We can get together and we can collaborate and come up with something super epic for them.